Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin there, and we're gonna look at some Cuddle Barn singing toys. Sweetie. Yep, Sweetie looks like this. Sweetie is a singing white mouse made by Cuddle Barn. She wears a purple bathing suit or bathing suit and a donut around her waist. She also holds a lollipop on her hand. She wiggles her ears, moves her head and feet as she sings how sweet it is to be loved by you in a little girl's voice. And it also has a video, but we're not going to watch it though. Snowglobe pals. There's a Santa Claus, a snowman, and a reindeer, a moose, a moose, a snowman, and a penguin. The snow globe pals are animated Christmas plush toys that hold little clear globes that have a snow globe, a snowflake for a fan inside. When activated, the snowflake spins and reveals light LED messages as snow swirls continuously inside. I'm not gonna say that. Inside the globe. The Santa and Moose one sings "It's the most wonderful time of the year." And then the snowman sings "We wish you a Merry Christmas." And then Frosty the Snowman, 2013 and 2014. And then the reindeer sings "Have Yourself a Little Christmas." And the bear one sings "Jingle Bells." Manny the Manatee. Manny the Manatee is a talking stuffed animal made by Cuddle Barn. He's gray with blue eyes. Manny's mouth moves as he talks fun facts about manatees. And it also has a video, but we're not going to watch it though. Pika Bunny. Pika Bunny is a singing bunny made by Cuddle Barn in 2012. He's a brown bunny wearing a yellow raincoat and rain hat, which she lifts up while moving his mouth and singing I Can See Clearly Now. Hip and Hop. And it's a singing Easter bunny. Hip and Hop are a singing bunny and chick made by Cuddle Barn in 2016. The bunny wears a polka dot bow tie and holds a blue vest with a yellow chick in it. The two characters swayed to Here Comes Peter Cottontail. Rockin' Robbie. Rockin' Robbie is a singing Christmas tree made by Cuddle Barn in 2011. She wears a red bow tie and Santa hat and has colorful lights that light up to the music. She sings, sways, and moves her mouth to rockin' around the Christmas tree. Preston the storytelling pig. And he looks like this, and it became with 4 puppets. Preston the storytelling pig is a talking pig made by Cuddle Barn in 2016. He reads the story of 3 little pigs as his head sways and mouth moves. He also comes with puppets of the 3 little pigs and the wolf so kids can act out the story as he reads. J. Frost. J. Frost is a singing snowman made by Cuddle Barn in 2013. He wears a black top hat and multicolor scarf and carries a string of Christmas lights. He sways from side to side and moves his mouth while singing Frosty the Snowman. Gary, or Jerry. Jerry is a singing giraffe made by Cuddle Barn in 2012. He holds a yellow flower and raises and lowers his neck and moves his mouth to your left, or I'm not going to say you're loved. Your love lifts me higher and higher. Fever Frog. The Fever Frog is made by Cuddle Barn. He is a green frog with dark green spots and wears a blue ice pack on his head. And has a thermometer in his mouth. His cheeks light up as his head sways, raises, and lowers, and mouth moves while singing Fever. And it also has a video, but we're not going to watch it though. Santa Seas. Santa Seas is made by Cuddle Barn. Santa holds a snowball in his right hand, a sign that says Santa Seas ask me about your future on it in his left hand. Ask him a yes or no question, and he responds with certain wisecracked as he sways side to side and moves his mouth to the words for his voice. Sheldon Sam, and it's a singing ear-flapping dog. Sheldon Sam is made by Cuddle Barn. He's a Christmas dog with a striped scarf and Santa hat. He has brown fur and a green nose. He also has small bells on the end of his ears. He wiggles his ears side to side as he sings a Christmas version of Shout. And it also has a video, but we're not going to watch it. Moose Wonderful. And it also has two kinds of moose. There's a moose with green antlers and a moose with red antlers. And it also has 2 videos of it, but we're not going to watch it. Moose Wonderful is made by Cuddle Barn. He is a brown moose with a Christmas scarf, antlers, and lights on them. He sways his head back and forth and moves his mouth, and antlers light up as he sings "Is the Most Wonderful Time of the Year." Santa's Greetings. Santa's Greetings is made by Cuddle Barn. It features Santa Claus holding a foldable banner shaped like Christmas trees, and it reads "Merry Christmas" inside. Santa opens and closes the banner as he sings Have yourself a merry little Christmas. His mouth moves to the words of the song. Moose Like Jagger, and it's a singing cow. Moose Like Jagger is an animated cow made by Cuddle Barn. He wears a black jacket and a red shirt inside, and blue jeans, and black and white shoes. He sways his body and wiggles his arms and head while singing Move Like Jagger. Farmer Mac. Farmer Mac is made by Cuddle Barn. He's a cow that wears blue jeans and a shirt with plaid sleeves and a red bandana around his neck. He sways his head and moves his mouth as he sings Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Inspirational singing bears. There's a white one, a brown one, a tan brown one, and a dark brown one. And also has a pink flower, a blue flower, and a purple flower. The inspirational singing bears were made by Cuddle Barn in 2015. There are 3 bears in the series, and each one sings and sways to a different inspiration song and holds a flower with a lyric from the song they sing on it. Andy Antlers, and it's a singing reindeer. Andy Antlers is a singing reindeer made by Cuddle Barn in 2016. He wears a red and green striped scarf and has red antlers with green bells on them. His head sways and his antlers wiggle as he sings Jingle Bells. Achinate. And I think this one made by Mills. Achinate is a singing monkey made by Cuddle Barn in 2008. He has one arm in a sling and holds a crutch in the other. His head sways and mouth moves while singing Love Hurts. Rough Cuffs. Rough Cuffs is a singing bear made by Cuddle Barn in 2008. He wears a blue police uniform and carries a baton. His head, mouth, and arms move as he sings Bad Boys. Mr. Lucky. Mr. Lucky is a singing dog made by Cuddle Barn in 2008. He wears a black vest and bow tie and carries a hand of cards in one paw and a pair of light up dice in the other. His head sways and mouth moves while singing Luck to Be a Lady from the musical Guys and Dolls. Polar Polly. Polar Polly is a singing polar bear made by Cuddle Barn in 2016. She wears a red Santa hat, polka dots, scarf, and ice skates. She kicks her legs and moves her mouth while singing Winter Wonderland. Funky Monkey. Funky Monkey was made by Cuddle Barn in 2017. He wears a purple jacket with a $ necklace and a pink, red, and purple cap. His hat lights up as he dances to 24K Magic by Bruno Mars. SGT Joe is a singing bear made by Cuddle Barn in 2015. He wears a U.S. Army uniform and sings The Army Goes Rolling Along while swaying his head and moving his mouth. The Fox Cuddle Barn. The Fox was made by Cuddle Barn in 2014. He wears a red hoodie that reads "What Does the Fox Say?" on it. He also black pants and sneakers. He also has black pants and sneakers based on the then popular viral video, he sings